Hi. So let's begin by understanding core steps for the 80 plus essential skills to boost your productivity, performance, and progress. We're covering a very wide array of skills and it's a very structured course. So for you to enjoy the course and extract maximum value out of it for yourself, it's important to understand the core steps. So let's begin. In the course, the first thing that is outlined is the information about a skill. What you do is go through that information irrespective of whether you feel you know something about that skill or otherwise. The second thing is you attempt the skill quiz for a particular skill. Once you do that, there are two things that will happen. One is you will get to know your performance and you'll also get to know whether that experience was enjoyable for you. What you do is note down how your performance was, which is your skill potential, and also make a note of whether that experience was enjoyable for you or otherwise. That's your skill happiness. I'll give you an example. So there's an array of skills throughout the course for which you will be attempting the skill quizzes once you read the information of each of these skills. Based on your skill quizzes, you will get an outcome about your performance, which is your potential score from the system. And you'll also make a note of how did you experience, how was your experience? Was it a happy experience for you? So make a note of that experience. These are two inputs that will be important going forward. Okay. What happens is, as a result of you going through the skills information and attempting the skills quiz, you will learn from the skills quiz experience. Okay. And you will also get at the end of it a variety of actionable inputs to build and sharpen your skills. So you will get that for all the 80 plus skills. Yeah. Now, as you're going about that skill by skill and noting down your P and your H, yeah, I'm calling them P and H, your performance, which is your potential, and your experience, which is your happiness. Okay. Make a note of that. At the end of the course, you will find an online link. Okay. This is a completely voluntary thing that you can do if you wish to. You can click on that link and provide us your inputs of your P and H value for each of those skills. When you're providing us the input, please use the same email ID that you have used for registering to this course. That way we are able to match you and your unique identity with the form that you have filled online. Okay. Once you do that, what will happen is we'll be able to analyze your inputs and in a couple of days revert back to you on email with a report. The report will have three valuable inputs for you. One is it will have your skills profile on four categories of skill dimensions: the cognitive skills, the technological skills, the social emotional skills, and the physical skills. This will be derived out of your inputs. Okay. The second thing is your rationalized skills pH for each skill will be there in the report. Okay. What is rationalized is we are taking into account the granularity for each skill on those four categories that I mentioned a while ago, and your input, whether that experience for you was happy or otherwise, and then provide you a rationalized input. The third thing is you will get a five numbers of suited career paths. This information will have curated links providing you information about those five career paths and their future outlook, which might be of some value for you for the present and the future going forward. But please remember, sharpening of skills is very fundamental because skills are essential in most careers. And the only way to boost your productivity, performance, and progress is by building and sharpening your essential skills. All right. So please go about the course, enjoy it, but please go about it by following the course steps that I just described to you. So good luck.